All right, let's talk about using variables with lists. First, one key thing. Initialize variables don't work with list-based strategies, but runtime variables do. And that's where things get powerful. Here's how it works. You start by selecting your list inside the set. Now, if you want to store a variable for each instrument in that list, you need to follow a specific format. You write it like this: pipe, list name, pipe, underscore, and then your variable name. For example, pipe, US underscore list, pipe, underscore low. What Tradetron does is automatically replace the list name with the actual instrument. So if a condition is met for Apple, it creates AAPL underscore low. If it's Tesla, it becomes TSLA underscore low. So each stock gets its own separate variable. Let's take a quick example. Say your list is US underscore list, and you want to store the low of the 15-minute entry candle. You write pipe, US underscore list, pipe, underscore low. Now, if a trade is taken in Tesla, the system stores it as TSLA underscore low. So how do you use this? Go to the condition builder and use the Get Runtime keyword. Then write the same format: pipe, list name, pipe, underscore variable name. That's it. When Tradetron checks conditions, it automatically maps the correct variable for each instrument. So Apple uses AAPL underscore low. Tesla uses TSLA underscore low. All handled automatically. Now, if you want to use this as a stop loss, you select LTP, choose your list as the instrument, use less than, and then use Get Runtime with pipe, US underscore list, pipe, underscore low. This compares the live price with the stored value for each stock. And the best part? You don't have to manage anything manually. The system does everything for you. That's what makes this so powerful. Instead of creating separate strategies for each stock, you can manage everything in one place. You can add up to 100 stocks in a single list, so one strategy can trade across all of them. And this works for equities, options, ETFs, and even indices. So yeah, this is a really powerful way to scale your strategies. Hope this helps. In the next video, we'll see how to combine runtime variables and initialize variables inside a complete strategy. See you there.